Hi, I'm Suzette Allen, Lumix Ambassador, and I'm going to be doing a portrait class at Horn Photo on Saturday, August 4th. Summertime is a great time to do portraits, especially early in the morning when the light is nice, but definitely when it's cooler. So, I'm going to talk a lot about light. So, light can make the difference between a fabulous photograph and a horrible photograph. Light alone can do that. So, what we're going to do is start off in the store early in the morning before it opens, and we'll do a little platform program and show you different examples, how to do light, how to pose, all the good stuff. And then we'll go out and do a hands-on demo out in the light and try it all out. Because I want you to not only be able to recognize good light, but be able to find good light and also to modify light. So if you have not so great looking light, you know how to modify it and make it look your best. So sign up on the Eventbrite link and I will see you there.